Hi everyone, welcome to this beginner friendly session on Java basics. In this video, we are going to understand what coding is, how programming works, and we'll explore different types of programming paradigms before diving into object oriented programming, which is the core of Java. Let's begin. Let's start with a very basic question. What is programming? Programming is simply the process of writing instructions that a computer can understand and execute. These instructions are written using a programming language like Java. Just like we use languages to talk to each other, we use programming languages to talk to the computers. Over the years, programmers have developed different styles of writing code based on how they think and what they are building. These are called programming paradigms. Let's quickly walk through the five major ones named procedural programming, functional programming, object oriented programming, scripting programming, and logic programming. First, we have procedural programming. It organizes the code as a series of steps or procedures. It's like writing a recipe. You go from top to bottom, following the steps one after the another. Languages like C are based on this paradigm. Next, functional programming. This treats computation like solving math equations. Instead of changing the variables and using loops, it focuses on functions that returns the values. It avoids side effects like modifying variables, which makes your code easier to test and debug. Now, this is where Java truly shines. Object oriented programming, or OOPS. In this paradigm, we model the real world using objects like cars, students, or books. Each object has properties and behavior. Java is built around this concept. Scripting is a type of programming often used to automate tasks. Scripting languages like JavaScript or Python are used for small tasks like writing browser scripts, server scripts, or automation. These are usually interpreted, not compiled like Java. There's a difference between interpretation and compilation, which I'll be teaching you in the further videos. Lastly, we have logic programming. Instead of writing step by step instructions, you define facts and rules and let the computer figure out how to apply the logic. Prolog is an example of logic programming language. Logic programming is mainly used in artificial intelligence, which is the most emerging field in 2025. And guys, that's a quick intro to programming and different paradigms. In the next part of the video series, we'll dive into the difference between OOPS and POOPS, introduction to OOPS, and your first Java program. Stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel to learn more about engineering, and let's have a techies meet soon.